Anthropic just released a new command called goal, and this command sets a completion condition, and Claude keeps working towards it without you prompting each step. Basically, what happens is after each turn, a small fast model checks whether the condition holds, and if it doesn't hold, Claude starts another turn instead of returning control to you. This is so important, especially when you're doing projects that are big and you do not need Claude to stop at periodic intervals to ask you if it should continue, because I'm building a project right now and it's doing this all the time, and it is actually stopping me from progressing faster. So basically, if you go on the tweet, you can see what they are talking about. You're setting the completion condition and Claude keeps working until it's met. What else? Is the Ralph loop built in your Claude code. So every time Claude tries to stop it, it checks your condition against the transcript. So it's very easy for you to set up your goal and to achieve this goal without anything in between. It says that there's also a loop command to run Claude on repeat, great for iterative refactors, cleanups, or burning down your backlog. But this is different from the goal. And so let me show you. This is my project that, as you can see, I have a lot of phases, and each phase has sub-steps, and it does stop. I do want it to stop between phases and sub-phases, but it stops in the middle of a sub-phase as well. So it's like, hey, I'm still working on this sub-phase or sub-step, but I just want to check with you and see if I'm okay to continue. And this really stops me from getting to my end goal faster. So what I can do is type goal, press on the spacebar, and now I can add my goal. And my goal is to actually go through the whole sub-steps without being interrupted and stopped. So I said power through sub-step 0.21.9 until it's completely done. And now that it has this goal, it will acknowledge it, and then it will continue working through this step and making sure that the step is completely finished before it stops to check with me. Now it has acknowledged that, and it will start working. It's reading the sources, it's reading all the documentation. One thing, nothing to do with the goal command, is to have meticulous documentation when you're building large projects. But yep, we're done. Now it's creating its to-do list, and it will start working without interrupting and stopping halfway through to check with me.